Good evening. Yes, I will show drum filter what we make. This is drum filter 10 kuba. This small drum 5 kuba. Yes, and drum tomorrow go to customer in a chunk, and after tomorrow we install mesh, check, and this nozzles like this. Install, and after tomorrow send to Hanoi. This is drum 5 kuba, 5 and 10. Yes. This is drum filter 25. He's not ready, but he have customer already, sell already next week. And this is 35. Big one. Okay, 5 and 10. Can see big automatic one for 10. And pump. Yeah, this use 3 nozzles and 5 kuba. Similar, these two use 3 nozzles. Yeah, mesh same. Can you see this? No, cannot move. He installed already 2 motor. This have different. This have place for dirty water. You can see, and something put inside. You can easily take by hand. And this have sensor. Oh, here look. This have sensor. Easy. Check, look, and okay. 5 kuba. He is smaller, how you see, and everything inside. Everything inside, and if you want change sensor or look something inside, you need open. Open this. Yes. Yes. This must be sensor, and you can look what have inside and have place for your hand. Take if fish put inside or have something. Sometimes have some problem. Yeah, can do this, but need open first. Yes, you can see different model 10 kuba and 5 kuba. Okay, thank you.